Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, we are back with what we're working with as far as the Crepe Paper Craft Market digital collection. You guys know that I'm trying to create as many little things as I can with the collection, and you guys are loving so far what I've created. I made some tags. If you haven't seen that, it's on my previous video. And I also made some cute little like tasseled heart embellishments, and now today I'm showing you guys these cute little flag embellishments, which I posted on my Instagram and you guys are going bananas over. They're super cute, like extremely overly like embellished and so fun. So let me show you guys what they look like, and then I'll show you guys how to make one. This is the first one. They're so cute to look at, you guys. And there's this one. And it's using the same paper from the digital collection that I told you guys. I've been having so much fun create with this collection. Yes, I'm using a bunch of other little things, but I'm trying to stick to the paper and any ephemera pieces that can fit on any project that I'm making. Look, you guys, how cute. And then this is the last one. And then I want to show you guys, let me spread them around here so you guys can see them. Okay, you guys, these are like super easy to make, and once you start, you can't stop. I had to stop at 5 because it's like, girl, you don't need that many. So what you're gonna need is, I have these little, kind of like these little sticks, I don't know, like little skewer sticks, which I kind of like break. Can you see that? Let me make sure I'm in frame. This is what they look like. I got these at my local dollar store, and they're a bit too tall, so I kind of like break off about just a little piece. So maybe like about, let's see here, about, yeah, about that much. It depends what size you want to have your little flag. You need some pom-poms, a small like little jump ring, like, well, not just one, some jump rings, any little, what do you call these again? Charms. I lost my train of thought. Every time I do a video, I lose my train of thought. I have so much in my brain, that's why. These little charms, you can use any ones you want. I also found these in my stash. These are super cute little hearts from Oh My Heart Pink Paisley. So you can use those. Of course, you need some scraps to make your little flags. And then you can use some little punches so that you can kind of like, because it's so tiny to decorate it, you can punch out like hearts and butterflies. So these are some little punches I have, bows and butterflies. I do have the heart, I just don't know where it's at right now. Some cute little tassels. I had a bunch and then I found this pack in my stash, so this is if I want to make some more. And then some little puffy stickers from any collection. They tend to come, not this, they tend to come in all the collections, so I have like a bunch of little like puffy stickers, some word stickers to put words on. I have a bunch of those, more puffies, word stickers, puffies, and puffies. So any puffies that you have. And you guys, it's super easy. What you do is you figure out how you want. Let's say we pick this pattern, and I'm gonna make the top flag about this size. So you just want to cut it to whatever size you want to make. I freehand everything. I don't, if you have a punch, that's fine, but I just kind of do it by hand. That's my first little flag that I want on the top. So I basically like line it up. Let me move this over here of how I think I want it. We're gonna do this blue one right here. I just fold it in half. And then I just cut it to give it that little flag appearance. So we're gonna do that one next. And then I want to do like a little skinny one on the bottom, so maybe a floral, this little floral one, but I want it to be a little bit skinnier, so I'm gonna cut that in half and have it about this size. And we're gonna fold that in half. And I like to make sure that it's even, so I cut off any excess and then make our little flag point. You can make 3, you can make 4, however many you want. These are customizable to your liking. And then what we're gonna do is make sure that I don't have my hot glue gun on, so we're gonna just use my ATG and do it like that just to show you. I'm not gonna decorate it. I just wanna show you guys how easy it is to make. So basically, I'm gonna just add some of this, and then we're gonna grab our stick and just place it right where you might want it. Like, let's say I want it like right here because of the pom-pom. Even it out, and then you see that? We're gonna do the same thing with all the little flags. Super quick and easy, and you guys, they look adorable. So you want to do that, and you bring it down however much you want. If you want to leave a space, super easy. And then we're going to do the last little one, which is a little tiny skinny one. And then we're going to place it right here. Even it out to your best ability, because you are going to decorate them, and a lot of it's going to get covered, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But that's that. So you want to bring it down a little bit. What I like to do is add my charm to my jump ring. Let me do this off camera because I can't see. I'm blind. I need glasses for sure. So I've added my charm, oops, to my jump ring, as you can see. Then what you want to do is you want to grab your jump ring and just put it over, you see that? Kind of like this, over your stick. And then you want to place, I don't have my glue gun on, so I'm just going to show you guys. You basically want to put your pom-pom right on top and glue it down. And then you already have basically your flag done. All you have to do now is just decorate it however you want. And look, you guys, you got a cute flag to send to your pen pal. Super easy. You can make a bunch in no time. But yeah, those are the cute little embellishments I wanted to show you guys that I've made using the collection. Stay tuned for my next video to show you guys what else I create. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.